Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video you will learn the techniques of shading with glass marker. Before that, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press on the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first technique is tonal, which means simple shading. There is no grades in this pencil, so you have to use high pressure for the depth areas and the low pressure for the lighter areas. There are two boxes in which I draw. One box is for lighter grades and one box is for darker grades. Now I draw cube using tonal method. I draw cubes for all the techniques. Let's move on to next technique, that is smudge. We cannot use blending stump for this glass marker, so first draw it with less pressure, then draw it with higher pressure so that it looks like blunt. Now let's move on to our next technique, that is hatching. There are two types of hatching, that is simple hatching and cross hatching. Let's draw simple hatching. Simple hatching means drawing the lines in one direction itself. Our next technique is cross hatching, drawing lines in 2 or 3 directions. We use this technique in pencil shading, charcoal shading, color pencil shading, pen art and glass marker also. Our next technique is crumble, which means using the pencil in oval direction. This technique is helpful in drawing leaves, trees and many other objects. Our next technique is stipple, which means drawing the whole art in dots. Using less pressure, we can draw light dots. Using higher pressure, we can draw darker dots. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was useful, please do like the video and share it with your friends. Our next tutorial is how to draw eyes using a glass marker. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you so much for watching.